So I've got the key cards that come with the car. They're in this nice little Tesla embossed casing. You open it up and you have two of them in there. Come out and look like this. Even shows you how to lock and unlock the doors with this little visual there. And I've got my key card holders, and it even has a little window here so you can see the Tesla logo. So these slide right in. So this is the finished product with the key in the casing and the clasp on. You can see it still says Tesla across. It's got some cool design on the back. It doesn't slide around too much because of the rubber, and it's easy to carry. Nice and sleek, but it doesn't like slip out of your pocket. It doesn't slide around if you're using the key to start the car. So you can leave it there behind the cup holders. And I'm actually going to end up leaving one of these cards in my wallet behind my ID and everything. So luckily I have a thin enough wallet that when it's in the back, I can just use my wallet if my phone isn't working, which I use my phone as the key 99% of the time. Alright, so I'm in the car. I'm getting ready to install the glass screen protector. And first thing you gotta do is clean the screen. So you go to the little car icon down there, go to display, and hit screen clean mode. And it turns the screen black so you can see where all the fingerprints are and swipes and dust. That will allow you to clean it well with any type of glass, like microfiber cloth, and it really cleans it super well. And I'm actually going to use the Tesla cloth that they put in there. It's got the logo. It's kind of hard to see, but it's got the T logo and it says Tesla across it. And this comes in your glove box when you get the car. The screen protector I bought comes with 2 sets of these installation auxiliary tools, and inside this it's got an alcohol prep pad to clean the screen, another cloth like a microfiber cloth to be able to wipe it down, and then these dust removal stickers. So if there's any hard to clean dust that's like almost embedded in the screen, use this and it should pick it up. It's looking good as new, and it's time to take out the glass protector. And it also comes with these installation instructions and this little suction cup pad on here that you are supposed to put on one of the corners of the screen so you can maneuver it better than just using your hands. So it had a few bubbles, but they worked themselves out. A couple that I had to kind of push along to get to the edges, but it looks pretty good, and it's glass, so it shouldn't allow any damage to the screen itself. So I'm pretty happy with that, and the install only took maybe 5 minutes. So it's time to get out of the screen clean mode, and you just hold for 3 seconds on the hold to exit button, and it brings you right back. So it looks pretty good. It's really clear. I don't really see any issues with the bubbles or alignment. It does say that it leaves a little bit of space, so it's easier for you to get it off when you do need to replace it. But I think it looks pretty good. And I do have this new update that has the side view cameras in addition to the rear view, and I think it looks really good. It helps with blind spots and just pulling into spots. You can see the lines much better, especially that my right side mirror hasn't been fixed, so it doesn't auto tilt for me to be able to see the lines when I'm backing into a spot. Got my dashboard wrap in carbon fiber. Let's see, let's doesn't look like it comes with any tools or instructions, which can either be a good thing because it's easy or a bad thing because I won't know what I'm supposed to do exactly. Let's see, it's got some bubble wrap. I was hoping that maybe there'd be instructions inside of there, but I guess it was literally just to keep the shape of this. Let's see. Actually a little long, surprisingly. So I'm going to open up both the doors and start sticking it. On the side here, it does go down and you can see the wood over on the side. So that's actually why it looked a little long to me, because you fold this over and it will cover up that piece of wood as well. I'm gonna start over on the passenger side in case I mess anything up. Just gonna peel this back off and it should stick. In the middle behind the screen there, a couple bubbles, but it was a tough position to get to. But overall, super easy. It sticks well and it comes up well enough if you do need to adjust it. But I like it. I know that the wood looks really good and being real wood is super cool, but I just prefer the carbon fiber wrap look to the brown wood grain look. If it had maybe been a black wood grain, I would have maybe kept it and liked it a little bit more, but I kind of like the carbon fiber look, and worst case, I just peel it up. I've got this organizer for the center console, and it goes underneath this flip here. Obviously, I would have that down for the charging station, the wireless charging. But this goes in, it'll hold change, it'll hold, I don't know, sunglasses, fits in nice and tight, doesn't move around too much. But I know I'll keep my glasses in there for when I'm driving. I always like to have some chapstick with me and some gum, so I'm gonna keep that in there. And if I ever have change, it'll be really convenient to keep it organized. So under the armrest here in the center console storage has this little slot that isn't used for anything. So you have some double-sided tape on this thing, you stick it in, and you can close it up and conceal things that you need to hide, that no one would know is there. Not that these really take installing, but here are the USB-C to A adapters. So they just go into the ones back here for anyone that's sitting in the back seat that might not have the USB-C. What else do you think I should do? I've heard a lot of people are wrapping the logos on the front and rear because you've got this really sleek look with the chrome delete, and then you've got these chrome accent pieces anyway. And I've got the dual motor long range model, and again these are chrome. So I might try to wrap all of that in carbon fiber just like I wrapped the dashboard. So tell me what you like, what you think I should also do to the car, and what you don't like. You're entitled to your own opinion, and it's my car, so I'm not changing it for you. So those are all the accessories that I've received so far that I've ordered. I do have one more that's in transit, so hopefully it gets here soon. I will put product links in the description for all of the things that I've installed so far in this video. So feel free to take a look at those, and they should fit both the Model 3 and the Model Y. They seem to be pretty universal at this point. Also, please like, comment, subscribe. I try and respond to all my comments, and thanks for watching. I appreciate all the support.